So the information that has circulated across social media remains untrue. What is on the ground is that Ssegirinya is on a critical health condition, which they say many organs are already shut down, but he is not yet dead. Take a look at this clarification.
What I can say is to confer with Honorable Senyonyi and the other officials who have been able to visit the patient, who is critically ill. He is critically sick. What I can say, he needs our love, he needs our prayers, though we cannot declare him dead, but he's critically sick. Thank you so much.
Many people, including the no president, Bobi Wine, had said Ssegirinya had already passed away, but then he said very sad news this morning. Our brother, our friend, our fellow leader, Honorable Mohamed Ssegirinya, has passed on such a dark morning. Hina Ilai Wahina Ilai Rajon. I think that's Arabic. But then immediately after 1 hour, he pulled a clarification. That clarification, according to the doctors, Honorable Ssegirinya Mohamed is brain dead. I think he's meaning it is his brain which is dead. Most of his organs have already shut down, but he's not yet declared dead. When the mother was told that, she immediately announced his passing. Our teams are on ground monitoring the situation as well. Pray for a miracle. See? Pray for a miracle. So I hope people pray for Ssegirinya. Let's just take a quick comment from one person called Dr. Musa Lumumba. Lumumba said the brain controls the whole body. When it's dead, unable to send, receive, and process signal, you are literally dead. The body can't function without the brain, so organs begin to shut down slowly, but surely, one by one, with no return. It's the hard truth. Let's process it. Let's accept it. Inalila wa inalila rajun. I think that's the language used by Muslim to maybe to say rest in peace. So it's a sad and shocking development coming in about Ssegirinya. Seems like the condition is too difficult, and yeah, the only thing is, it is said, people continue to pray for Ssegirinya, for a miracle to happen. Thank you.